Okay, you guys, it's the long-awaited office tour video. I'm gonna take you upstairs, show you around, so come with me. Let's go. Having this lean on the desk. This was from my wedding originally, so it was like a Polaroid picture holder, and now I just use it as my little dream board, I guess you could say. I don't know what to put in that picture frame right now, so that's a random picture from a trip. I have my new chalkboard, and all cactuses in my office are fake except for this guy. Save the cat notes that are getting kind of covered, but super random. I had them all laid out for myself at one point. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those. This is something I painted a long time ago, and I just love that verse so much. This was my verse of the year a couple years back. This bubble is like a sound machine, so you can play music really loud. It's super fun from your phone or whatnot and get amped up. This is a happy light, I think they're called. So like if you struggle with depression and just need more, I guess it's like UV rays, I think. I don't remember. Anyway, it really helps. It's like just kind of wakes you up too. It helps if you are really tired all the time, which I am. So, let me show you my collage wall. These are photos from Instagram that I decided to put on my wall. So yeah, that is my collage wall. Did do a bookshelf tour, and then I changed everything. I want to be able to take this chair and put it in front of the bookshelf when I do a lot of videos. So I put my books kind of at eye level. I did this cute little thing. I don't know how to describe it. These guys are all fake. That's all. This is IKEA. From my hubby, he got me that little picture of us. I rearranged a couple things on the sides. So this is, I did find my Evelyn's Number printout, which was like a freebie on Shutterfly way back in the day, and so I thought that's just really pretty, and I want to always remember the very first cover of the very first book. I've gotten rid of almost all of my old Evelyn's Number copies. I think I have 2 left total, and I am also out of everything except those 2, which is like a signed copy. I should show you guys this. From the last Wander Writers Retreat. This is a signed copy. So I will always keep this. And I love it. So yeah, I need to get more books and order some books for BookCon, but that is my bookshelf. Oh, and then, okay, yes, I should probably show you my closet. This is gonna be embarrassing. This is actually really awesome because I have so much junk and I didn't know what to do with it. Hey baby, what was that? This is my junk. So I have so many boxes from the move that I'm just hiding. I have these light boxes, which are what I use when I film, especially at night. Although this office has amazing light, so I don't know if I'll need them here. I am going to show you even the corners and all the randomness. There's paint stuff and my guitar case, and then boxes I don't want to deal with, and painting canvases, and then this, I want to eventually put all of my books into it in like this beautiful picture and hang it on this wall. So there you have it, guys. This is my office. Thank you so much for hanging out with me and for hanging out with Penny. Penny, do you want to go for a walk? Come on, let's go for a walk. Let's go. Bye guys, we'll see you later.